Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the expectations for Woodland Park Middle School students in Mr. Lima's math class for the week of April 10th. The objective for this week is to learn how to write equations for story problems. And we're going to talk about how you can do that by creating a visual, which you can then use to create an equation and then solve the problem using the skills we've learned before. The expectations for this week from students is to attend the review session, or at the very least, watch the videos in the playlist. And you should really be in the review session, but if you need help or couldn't attend, that's what the playlist videos are for. Complete at least 2 hours of math practice, and that's supposed to be kind of Cabia Mode Max, but there are some other options which I listed below here. And remember, the next class we'll be working on the test reviews, so what a good idea would be to attempt the test review at some point this week, so that when you look at it in class next time, it won't be the first time you're looking at it, and you will have a chance to actually practice for the test, which happens next week. So the first 5 to 10 minutes of class, I was actually doing some announcements with you guys. I went over the math practice requirements, which is from 1 to 1:45 every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You're supposed to be doing math practice. And that, again, includes either MobiMax or Khan Academy. You should ideally be working on the current unit. Resources or explanations are on the first video of this playlist. You can also use that time to meet with me in my office hours link, which is on the screen right now. And you can also work on the exercise set of the week. This week, we are doing Unit 4, exercise set 4, which is an equation story problems. Technically, this is homework supposed to be done after school, but it's up to you if you want to do that practice. There's also the option of doing the test review, like I just mentioned it, or any other practice that you discuss with Mr. Lima on a one-on-one basis and you made an agreement with me already. We also talked about the fact that I'm posting surveys every week, asking you guys for feedback and how the week is going, what can I do to do better for you, and that's on the Khan Academy. And I also showed you guys that I'm posting these video lessons for you to watch if you need to. And that is right here on the stream. You can see how I posted last week the lesson plan and 2 separate playlists, as well as that link to the survey right there. And remember, you can find everything also in the class work view in a more organized fashion, including lesson plans, resources for the unit. And here are those playlists that I was talking about. This is the one that explains how the remote learning works. And this one is the one that has all the unit, everything that we've learned so far in videos that are less than 5 minutes each. So after that, we spent about 10 to 15 minutes reviewing how to do the equation story problems. And I'm going to be talking about that in the next videos. I think will be videos, the next couple of videos in the playlist. And I also reminded everybody that a unit review is a great resource. It includes an updated information about the material that we learned this week. And that if you're still having problems, please come to office hours every morning from 8:45 to 9:45 each day. Or you can also come on doing math practice on the time in the afternoon on the same link from 1 to 1:45 on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I'm available for work. And that includes students that have bad grades in previous units and would like to fix those grades. You can come during that time and work with me, and I will upgrade those grades for you. Lastly, we spent another 20 minutes in class doing some guided practice on additional problems involving you looking at story problems and transferring them to equations. We did about 3 to 5 problems, right? And those will also be in the video playlist coming up here next. And the problems were from this link, equation story problems, and this right here is the exercise set. They are also posted in Khan Academy in the classwork view and most recent resource for the unit that we're working on. So that is this week. And in the next few videos, I'm going to actually do the lesson that I did in class. I'll see you guys then.